Which of the following is strongest acidic oxide? Here, 2 points we should remember. One is, as the electron negativity of central atom increases, acidic nature increases. Based on this point, if you see sulfur, phosphorus, antimony, Sb, when compared with phosphorus and antimony, sulfur is more electronegative. So that oxide of sulfur will be having the more acidic nature. So C and D are having more acidic nature than A and B. Next, now in SO2 and SO3, which is having more acidic nature? To identify that, one more point, as the oxidation number of central atom increases, acidic nature increases. So now in SO2 and SO3, SO2 sulfur oxidation state is +4, SO3 sulfur oxidation state is +6. So as the oxidation number of the central atom increases, acidic nature increases. So SO3 is having the more acidic nature. So answer is option D.